Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up bill pay in QuickBooks. We will begin by exploring the significant advantages of automating your bill payments, saving you valuable time, and reducing potential late fees. Next, I will guide you through locating the dedicated bill pay setup area within QuickBooks. Finally, we will cover the essential first steps for securely linking your bank account, ensuring a smooth and efficient process from the very start. This will streamline your financial management. Connecting your bank account is a crucial step for seamless bill payments. First, locate the option to add a new bank account within the QuickBooks banking section. You will then securely enter your online banking credentials, which allows QuickBooks to communicate with your financial institution. Rest assured, this process uses robust encryption to protect your sensitive information. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation, signifying that your bank is ready for automated transactions. This typically takes just a few moments. Now, let's focus on entering your bills and scheduling payments. You will create new bills by inputting essential details such as the vendor name, the amount due, and the due date. QuickBooks offers flexibility in choosing your preferred payment dates and methods for each individual bill. Before any payment is processed, you will have the opportunity to carefully review and approve all scheduled transactions. This two-step verification ensures accuracy and gives you complete control over your outgoing funds. Finally, let's discuss how to effectively review and manage your payments. QuickBooks provides a comprehensive payment dashboard where you can easily view all upcoming and past transactions at a glance. You have the flexibility to edit or even cancel any scheduled payments if your plans change, offering you full control. It is highly recommended to regularly reconcile your paid bills with your bank statements, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. This practice helps maintain accurate financial records and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.